Hello everyone, this is Mojee, here with you from Beauty by Mojee. As promised, trying to do a little tutorial when you get your microneedling in home care. How do you put the package together and how do you actually apply it either to the décolleté or the face area. I use a headband in your kit. We've probably also been provided with one of these hair nets. You can choose whichever is more convenient for you. You've also got a tray cover. It's better to use one of these in the surface that you're actually trying to put together your products. I usually like to use the other side to keep it all nice and clean. You've also have received this fee wipes. These fee wipes do get rid of all the bacterial, and it also is designed to really clean your skin prior to the treatment. So make sure we take advantage of that. You probably also got this little mini towel that these are compressed. So when you use water, they actually open up beautifully, and it helps to kind of the tablets. I use some water, and as soon as you use water, they start expanding. These are really fun tools to have at home for one-time use of a towel or cleaning your face and so on and so forth, and make sure that it's prepped and ready. The most important is that make sure that your skin is grease-free. I use different soaps that you can utilize. I use the Vanity cream. It's so easy to find anywhere, from Target to Walmart to all beauty supplies. You can buy the Vanity cream. It's soft and gentle, and it cleans all the grease and makeup from your face. So I've already washed my face, so we're ready to go. And now you have got this serum that you've selected. We're going to demonstrate the Tango. The Tango is for anti-aging. It's to boost collagen and hydration. So I do open the Tango. And then you also got your beautiful little cute applicator. The applicator has a tip. So when you look at it, it has a cap, and then the tips has the tiny little needles. So this is for in-home care, obviously, so it does not go and penetrates too deep. So you utilize this in order to put the serum in there. So I've opened it, as you can see. I keep the cap on till the last minute because I don't want any bacteria to get into it. So I open this, and I open my Tango, and I pour it in there. So I pour the, I twist, so easy, you just twist it and it's open. If there's any leftovers, there's a little cap that you can put it back on. But otherwise, the twisted part, you probably will use all of it. I grab my applicator and my serum, and I pour. And now I have a beautiful, ready to go microneedling kit. So everything is ready to go. I wash my hands always. Double washing is always a good idea. So I wash my hands. I have washed my face already. So now it's time to disinfect. So I do disinfect the entire face in the area that I will be microneedling. So you open up your fee wipes. And there's this little towelette here. You open up the towelette, and you go ahead and wiping the entire face, even the eye contour area. You want to make sure that you keep it nice and clean, and make sure that everything is removed. There's no residues. It's very important. I'm going to also be doing my neck as well. So I have washed, and I'm preparing this area as well for the microneedling. There's no need to be rough with these. It would remove all impurities with a soft, gentle touch, as long as you utilize it properly. I usually do not start with the eye for the makeup. Usually do the face, then I do the eyes, and last I do the nose, just in case there are some little bit of a more moisture in that area. I do not want to contaminate the rest of the face. So now the applicator is ready. So what I will do is take off the tip and the cap, and now it's ready. And the way that you hold the applicator is very comfortable with your hand. It's wise to use a mirror so you can see what you're doing. You start with one area. You can do circular motion. I like to do the circular motion, and then I move up. I prefer to do my microneedling starting with the forehead area. So I start with the forehead area, and I do the entire forehead area. I'm not going to demonstrate the whole thing, so it's not wasting your time. So I start with the forehead area. I go right to left, and then I go up and down and up and down. And then I move to this area. And then I go all around the eye. Try to stay within the orbit where you feel the bone. Don't get very near and, all the way close to the eyes. So then I go ahead and go back and forward, and then I go back and forward here. And then once I do that, then I start going side to side from the face area, side to side, and then I go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. In this area, because I like to get a little bit more lift, I also do a little bit of diagonal. So I also go from side, from here and all the way up to the temple. So I start from here. It's almost like a lifting effect. You wish that the face would be a little bit more lifted towards up. And I do the same thing. You go right and left, up and down, up and down. You can put a little bit of more pressure so you kind of feel the tingling. And that means the serum is being actually implanted into the skin and giving all the nutrients necessary for rejuvenation and regeneration of your skin. And then you can start from here, doing the lip area. On the lip area, there's no up and down really. You just go side to side. I focus on this area because this is the area that I like to really enhance with collagen production. And from the chin, I usually go from here up. I don't like to go much side to side. I usually like to go up all the way this way and all the way this way. And lastly is when I use the nose area. And the nose area, you just go all from here all the way to the tip, from here all the way to the tip, and from here all the way here. And then you're done. If you're doing your neck area, you start up and down, up and down, up and down. Make sure that you get all the areas, and then you go side to side from halfway, side to side. So once you finish one half, then you do the other half. If there are any additional moisture, do not rub. Let it dry by itself. You can utilize this applicator many times. You dip it in a jar of alcohol and let it sit for about 20 minutes. All the tutorials is also in the back, so you can read in case you forget. And then I just let my skin dry by itself. Make sure the channels are open on your face, is not being contaminated by your hand or by any other object, like wearing glasses or anything else. At least for about an hour, let it just kind of calm down, absorb the nutrients. You wash your hands. Anything that you may use that may touch your face has to be cleaned and sanitized in order not to get any bacterial activity. And then your aftercare is also given. So you, based on your individual personalized recipe, I have provided you with the aftercare. So you can start using that when it is appropriate based on your treatment. If you have any questions, you can always call us. We are available for you 24/7 to answer your questions. You can direct message me on Instagram. The phone number is also there. You can contact us. You can go to beautybymojee.com. The contact sheet right there gives you the opportunity to either call me directly or email for any questions, any guidelines that you need that is related to microneedling or any other beauty tips. I will continue to do these videos on a more frequent basis and see and track the progress of this